All right. Well, this is another video of something that I couldn't find on YouTube, so I have to do it myself and show it to the world. This is a 2022 Nissan Rogue, which I recently purchased. If you have seen any of my other videos, yes, I got rid of the Mercedes. But my problem is this thing, the charging pad that came with it. This is a Platinum series, which has the 9-inch, or I think 12, I don't know. It's got the cruise control. It's got a HUD, like this thing here projects stuff here. Just pretty cool. But the charging pad, it's absolutely horrible. And I read that it's not, a lot of people have problems with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy one of the aftermarket ones that you just drop in here and plug into here, and then you have a charging pad. And I also going to purchase a holder that actually wraps around this thing here, and then your phone goes in this area. So I'm going to try which one works best for me, depending on like my driving, whether I can see everything or whether it blocks the screen or whatever. But for now, this guy's got to go. So I'm going to unplug it, because when I put the other charger in, they might interfere with each other. So I'm just going to unplug it. It's real simple. So that's what I'm going to do this video about. So all you have to do is just take this off, which is easy. You pull this thing here. There's a T20 here, which you will take that out, the only screw, and then you pull out of here. This comes right off. And the previous owner was probably like too many lattes and dropped some in there. Hopefully that didn't cause any electrical issues. But once that comes out, it comes out as a piece. And it has two connectors here. And these are easy push tab to pull. I use my little handy dandy little tool here. Put that in there, and they'll come right out. There's only those two, and there's that one here, and this is where those connect to. The back ones connect here and here, and that one will connect here, and then this one branches out, and this is what connects it to the charging pad. This is a charging pad. So to take out the charging pad, just got to remove this one, and I use this little tool here. Usually just push it and pull it, or from the other side. It's hard to do with the phone here, but it'll come right out. And there's 4 of these screws here, which I still have to pull this one. There it is. I'm putting them here. Don't judge me, because I'm taking risks with floating a screw around. All right, so this little thing just pulls right off, because put that in there, and then this is the actual charger. Comes out. This whole operation takes about 5 minutes. Shorter than this video. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. But it was not to my liking. I don't know. This is the part number in case you guys need it. So it's there. I don't know. May sell it, may keep it if I wanted to put it back in once if I let her try to trade in the car. But that goes there, and that's done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this back in there. I'm going to tape, or just gonna tuck this in here and put everything back. And then I'm gonna get one of those aftermarket charging pads, or maybe the screen thing will work. We'll see what works. So, well, that's easy. How to get rid of the charging pad on your Nissan, because you may not like it. It didn't work for me. So I hope this video helps somebody out there.